A fresh coat of paint is a quick way to give any room a makeover. In this video, we cover how to prepare your room for painting. The first step is to clean up the area. This includes removing items from counters, moving furniture, taking pictures and mirrors off the walls, removing outlet covers, and repairing holes in the drywall. Also, remove any dust or cobwebs that may have accumulated in the area. Apply painter's tape as needed to make painting edges easy. Make sure you also lay painter's tarps or old blankets to protect furniture and floorings. It's important to choose the right tools for the space. Consider the nooks and crannies you may have to paint, or the spacious or high walls in a large room. These variables will determine whether you need small or large rollers and brushes, or if you need roller extensions and a ladder. After you buy your rollers, but before you start painting, wrap them in masking tape. Removing the tape clears off any fuzz that could otherwise end up in your paint. Choose the right sheen for your paint. An eggshell or semi-gloss is great for rooms with high moisture levels, like bathrooms or kitchens. But a flat or satin paint is great for standard living spaces, like living rooms and bedrooms. Consider purchasing a sample-sized can of paint to test in an area. Make sure you love it before you paint the entire space. Lastly, when buying your paint, ask the clerk at the paint store if you'll need to prime your walls, or if a Paint Plus primer will work. For tips on the painting process and other DIY projects, be sure to check out our other videos in our video library. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.